Hey everyone, today we are going to discuss some Latin terms, and these are those Latin terms which is written by physician on the prescription, and by understanding these terms pharmacist is able to dispense the medicines. So starting with the first, we have ad means add up to, ad limitum means as pleasure or as desired. Only specific quantity is required to be dispensed by the pharmacist, so that physician use these terms ad libitum. Next, we have add move. Add move means apply. When you are moving something on your body surface, that means you are applying it. For example, we have liniments and lotions. You are applying it on your body surface by moving them in a circular motion. So that's why the physician used this term add move for apply. Next, we have agita. Agita means shake. So, the agita term is used in the case of suspension, which consists of a solid phase as well as a liquid phase. In order to dissolve the both phases together to get a therapeutic effect of a drug, we use the term agita. Next, we have alter. Alter means alternate. Alternate horis means alternate R. Horis word means R. There are some medicines which have very short half life, so that's why physician prescribe this term alternate horis. Next we have anna. So anna means of each. Next we have anti. Anti means before. Sibos means meal. There are some medicines which is used by the patient before meal. For example, when the patient is suffering from a peptic ulcer. Next we have applicandus. Applicandus means to be applied. Aqua. Aqua word is commonly we know that it means water, and bullens means boiling. It means boiling water. In same way we have distillata, which is also very commonly used, distilled water. Next we have oris dextra and oris leva. Oris word means ear, dextra means right, and leva means left. So it means right ear and it means left ear. Oris teli. Oris teli is a term which is used for eardrops, and eardrops are most commonly used when a person is suffering from ear infections. Colitorium means a mouthwash, and collyrium means an eye wash. So in the case when a person is suffering from a mouth ulcer, then colitorium is most commonly used, and when a person is suffering from eye infections, then NaCl eye wash is most commonly prescribed to the patient. It means collyrium. Next we have capiat. Capiat means let him take. Capiandus means to be taken. Cataplasma. Cataplasma means poultice. Poultice is not currently used. It is something paste like substance which is used for rupture bone in ancient time. Next we have chata. Chata means powder. So there are some medicines. For example, we have dusting powder, which is used as anti-infective. So directly apply on the body surface. So that's why I use these terms chata. Next we have sibos. Sibos means meal or a food. Next we have cochlear. Cochlear is basically divided into these different parts, and cochlear, amblum, magnum and maximum means same meaning, which means 1 tablespoonful, and the quantity of the 1 tablespoonful is 15 ml. Next we have medium and modium, and this medium means cochlear, medium means 1 dessert spoonful, which is 8 ml. Next we have cochlear, minimum and parum, and this minimum and parum means a 1 teaspoonful, which is 4 ml. So all these are used in the case of liquid preparations. So in same way we have other Latin terms. Modo dicto. Word means as. Dicto means directed. As prescribed. More dicto means in a manner prescribed. Next we have nebula. Nebula we also use commonly for nebulizer, which means a spray. Next we have nocto manique. Nocto means night, manique means morning. Next we have non-repeater. Non-repeater means do not repeat. After the recovery of the patient, doctor prescribed non-repeater, so that they prevent any type of adverse effect to the patient. Next we have octaris. Octaris means a pint. Oculo. So oculo word is used for eye. In same case we see in the case of ear we use term oris, and in case of eye we use oculo. Then oculo means eye. Otro means each, dextro means right, levos means left. Then oculos, atro means each eye, oculus dextro means right eye, oculus levus means left eye, oculus sinister means left eye. Omni means every, and hora, we already know hora word means hour. So every hour, every quadranta, every quarter of an hour. Omna, every quarta. Quarta, omni quarta hora means every 4 hour. Omnis omnis kunda hora means every 2 hour. Omni morning means every morning. Omni nocte means every night. Os means by mouth. Per os means orally by mouth. So there is a difference between both, because in case of os it means mouth. There are some medicines which is going to be dissolved in the mouth. For example, we have chewable tablets, albendazole. So doctor prescribed this only for mouth, and per os means orally by mouth. That means the drug is going to be dissolved in the stomach, then you have to take it orally by mouth. Next we have Fiela pros agitata. It means shake well before use. In the case of calamine lotion, in the case of antacids, to get the therapeutic effect of a drug, we have to use it before shaking. Next we have Prodosi as a dose. Next we have Prorinata when necessary. So there are some medicines which is prescribed when there is a necessity or when there is a need. So Prorinata when necessary or when there is a need, when there is any type of a symptom observed by the patient, then they have to take the medicines. That means Prorinata. Next we have quantum sufficient, as quantity is sufficient or as much as quantity desired. Next we have quaternary. Quaternary means 4 times in a day. Quaternary means a daily. Recite means RX, and which is written by the physician on the prescriptions, and it means you have to go through, you have to take it. Next we have scandum artem. Scandum artem means according to the art, and semi means half. So these are some few Latin terms which I discuss in this video, but the second part is coming after this video, in which include all the remaining Latin terms.